How to block scammer calls on iPhone. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Tired of getting scam calls on your iPhone? Don't worry. I'll show you some quick and easy fixes to block scammer calls and keep your peace of mind. So let's get started. First, block specific numbers. Open the phone app and go to the recent tabs. Next, find the scam call number. Tap the eye icon next to it and then select block this caller and confirm to block the caller. Next, silence unknown callers. To do this, open the settings app and scroll down and tap on phone. Next, select silence unknown callers and turn it on. This will send calls from unknown numbers straight to voicemail. Next, use a spam blocking app. Go to App Store and search for spam blocking apps like Hyla or Truecaller. Download and set up the app to automatically filter out spam calls. Bonus tip: check with your carrier. Many carriers offer free or paid services to block scam calls automatically. And that's it. By using these steps, you can take control and block those annoying scam calls. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.